Hello there, guys and gals. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to get ourselves started on the Persuasive Essay. So what you need to do is start at mcleodclass.com as it shows up here, and you'll come to this main screen. Choose the tab for whichever one you're in. If you're in AP, use the AP one. If you're in US, use the US one. However, it's going to be the same thing for all U.S. history class periods. You're going to go down and you're going to find the link that says Introduce Persuasive Essay, or just shows it Persuasive Essay, and you need to click on that. What you'll do is it'll take you to this prompt here that you'll notice. So it's the same like last time, where you have different choices that you can choose in terms of the questions, and one being a little more simplified, 3 in the stars, meaning like, wow, really, that's a high order task. It is still going to be graded according to this rubric. However, it changes based on what level of question you choose to answer in that one. So I've seen 100% on 1s, and I've seen total failures on 3 and stars. I've also seen failures on 1s and seen awesomes on the 3 and stars. So it's just what you feel comfortable with based on the question there. Read the directions when it is due as well, because if you go back to mcleodclass.com, it is due on the 15th. Of March, so it is relatively quick, but read the directions and when it is due and what time and everything and how to go about it. Documents have links, so if you choose them there, they will just go straight to it. But what you need to do first, before that, is you need to go up to this tab here where it says Unit 7 through 9 Persuasive Essay. Go ahead and click on it, left click, and it'll come to this one. So this is what you're going to write on. So what I would suggest you do immediately is go to File, Make a Copy, and move it into your family folder for your team drive right now while you work on it. It's very simple. You put the essay title there, read the directions, and you will write in these boxes here. What I would advise you to do is on your main points for paragraph 2 and 3, please write it inside where it says main point. Make sure you follow the directions, highlight your yellow thesis, and when you're using information from a source, please highlight it in these categories according to, and what you can do is you can rewrite the source thing in that one. Sorry, Malcolm is in the background yapping away. Wonderful. Please leave these boxes blank. These are for me to give you the feedback and to score it in that one. So that is relatively easy, and make sure to please put your name there. However, what is different about this is I'm going to use 4th period for example. So if I were to go to Team Drives and 4th period, you will see something that says Persuasive Essay as a folder. When you are ready to submit, meaning by midnight on the 15th of March, I need you to move your file that you've been working on into this here. Okay, so just like we move files around, you have to do that. Don't do that immediately, only do that when you're ready for it to be done. But I will come into this file only for each different period and check it there. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Again, I would definitely recommend reading the rubric before you get started in how we're going to grade on everything. As well, if you go to policies and you can see in terms of categories where you would like to be at, you can look at that stuff, and you can also look at the grading system for how we score things on rubrics, reflections, whatnot. So if you need anything else, please do not hesitate to send me a reminder, DM, whatnot. But again, this should be a very, very good task, and I'm looking forward to seeing which ones people choose and which ones they get excited about as well. So take care. If you need anything, here for you always. Good luck.